Welcome back, everyone. We're doing another unboxing today from forgot who the heck they are, but from Assembly Supplies, and we're gonna see what it's all about. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's actually pretty good temperature right now. Sun's out shining. www.hotairtools.com. So this is a refurbished unit. So how in the heck would you even turn? I mean, it's refurbished, so it's been used, but they went through it, I'm pretty sure, made sure everything worked. And we're going to test it out at the N.R.T channel and see how it does. We're going to be doing some plastic welding with this on all types of things, from the Odyssey to pretty much any plastic item I needed to weld. I'll be doing this. So thanks to Assembly Supplies, www.hotairtools.com for sending out this. We're going to be testing it out on the channel to see if it is what it says it is. Because at N.R.T we only do real reviews. If this product's junk, I'm going to tell you it's junk. If it's good, I'm going to tell you it's good. Because that's the bottom line. This is not a paid review. They just sent me the tool. And I asked them if I could talk about it on the channel. They said sure. So that's what we are doing. And that's what the plan is on it. And we have a couple other companies sending stuff out. Supposed to be receiving hopefully you guys see that old lady coming. So basically I have a company sending me the axles for this thing. They should arrive today according to FedEx. So we're going to start working on this probably pretty soon. Get that parts out, put that axle in, and then we got to put a front drive line in this thing, brake part or brake pad. Then this thing's ready to go rip. I am going to make some videos on this thing ripping. It's pretty fun to drive when it's working right, but it always seems like it's having overheating issues or throttle body issues or electronic issues. So when it works right, it's pretty fun. So look forward to videos on this thing coming soon. And we got the 50 ordered our tool for that. It's going to be here pretty soon. A couple days or so. So there's that. But back to the Odyssey. And I don't know. Hopefully once I build the harness for this, it gets spark and this thing fires up, comes to life. So there's that. Put a link in the description to hotairtools.com, and you go check out the tool. So it's an unboxing video, talking video, and hope you guys enjoy these videos. And that's gonna be it.